was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Hit that house, they tell me is you with it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. What's persuasive? What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't cool, they wasn't. I fucked Sherane and went to tell my bros. Tell my bros, tell my Then Usher Rain and Let It Burn came on. That burn came on, that burn came on. Hot sauce all at night, top rhyming, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. See dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. We never knew. Go at a rapping for the revenue. Go Halle Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just fucking main bitch, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might say fuck them niggas that you game with, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just make that lane switch, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might turn to $1 million, then we all rich, that's just how I feel. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Bump that new E40 after school. Way after school, way after school. You know big ballin' with my homies. Bro Stevens had us thinking rational. That's rational. Back to reality, we pour, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Another casualty at war, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. 2 bullets in my Uncle Tony head. My Tony head, my Tony. He said one day I'll be on tour, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. That Louis burgers never be the same. Won't be the same, won't be the same. A Louis belt that never ease that pain. Won't ease that pain, won't ease. But I'ma purchase when that day is jerking. Pull off at churches with Pirelli skirting. Gang signs out the window, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Hoping all of them offend you, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. They say your hood is a pot of gold. And we go crash it when nobody's home. Halle Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away.
I have a question. Which ones are vegan?
You know what? I
have no words.
That's just how I feel. $8 might just fucking main bitch. That's just how I feel. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you game with. That's just how I feel.
That was crazy, but we just had a great experience at this thing. We just came from the museum with Ed Donuts. And it's been an amazing experience. So beautiful. She's so kind. She's so cool. Everything here is vegan, and I think that's so cool. So let me try the. Yeah.
She's amazing. This is such a great experience.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you for vacation. This is amazing. Everything I've had is amazing. Yeah, we should leave her tip.
I feel like this was a very over-the-top experience.
Yeah, it was one of a kind, I feel like. Lady, are you excited? Oh, that one does look like ears and like a mouth or something. That's so cute. Thank you.
just to take you to kick it where the Falaka is. In the streets with a heater under my dungarees. Dreams of me getting shaded under the money tree.
You were dancing in the video and I was dancing with you.
Everybody can respect the shoe, but the
So this one is really soft. She's crazy. Did y'all hear this? Did y'all hear this? The creme brulee one. It looks so good.
I would want to hear it.
Which one is that? It's a creme brulee. She said it was one of the best ones.
Is it gonna crunch though? Oh my god, it crunch. I got ice cream. Try to do it again. This looks like everything inside. Whoa.
I'm creme brulee. I give it a 7 out of 10. It's like it's already covered. It's the glaze with whipped cream and strawberries. It's not usually what I go for, and I got everything I did. I don't think it's what I usually go for, but it's once in a lifetime. And then the pecan swirl, I was gonna get that regardless. Like I was gonna get that pecan. I'm like a cinnamon bun girl.
Now I'm crunchy too.
This is my favorite. This tastes just like a good strawberry shortcake.
Oh, I got that one too. It's right here.
No, I'm giving it. Alright, cool.
Tried all of them.
Not yet. I'm getting around. I really just want to try
She's taking her time.
but I'm gonna come back to the strawberry one. That strawberry one, that whipped cream.
Whipping.
Whipping. No, this one I may not be too much of a fan because I like when it's ice like all over the cupcake. I mean all over the donut. But you know, the donuts are donuts. Some of them don't have it all over. Okay, this one is the French toast.
In the video, the comment to me like blanking. I'm really just like, you know that one video of the boy? Oh, is it? What was that?
This is the best one. This is the best one. I can't take it. I can't take it. It smells good. And it doesn't need any ice on the outside because it's just enough. Like it's so. We went to Monty's. We went to yesterday summer. Where did we go yesterday? And you had a milkshake in my video. And then today she has
I'm literally crushing on this vegan
I love it. Have you been loving my
I
vegan?
like everything. Even this morning was really good too. This morning was like my favorite.
Yeah. And then today's our last day.
Yeah.
Okay. Look, we're gonna every time I go to different places and they're all girly.
I love that.
Like I have great experience with vegan food in LA. I always do. Like you had a good time, and we ate vegan a lot though.
I liked it all.
You know, I've never had vegan whipped cream. It's my first time, and it's really like this whole thing is really good, y'all. Like,
So you tried all of it?
yeah, I'm not gonna do the cinnamon one today. I'll try which tomorrow or another time. I'm not gonna do the
I got the video of the man. It was like 2 guys sitting in the bathtub 5 feet apart because they're not gay. You think they're gonna make a video of us? Like, still recording the brain.
Oh my goodness. Bye, guys.
Bye. Out of youth relay and what's the other one did you do?
Youth Brulee,
Strawberry Lab.
the Strawberry Lab,
Okay.
the French Toast.
Okay. Which one? Which one are you trying to say was
The Jimmy something.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. Which one you have?
The Strawberry Lab.
Strawberry Lab. What's Jimmy?
The
Jimmy. Oh, I didn't eat Jimmy yet. I'm probably gonna eat it for like a breakfast in the morning because swirls are swirls. You know, they be swirling.
They be swirling. Let your life start.
Yeah. So. Y'all not gonna guess it.
It's a strawberry one. Could you
No.
crush that one?
No.
It's not
No,
one of them.
because I could tell you why strawberry one was my favorite. Because I low-key wanted sometimes just the donut part itself because it came too much at times. So like I was liking whipped cream off at times because it was really good with the strawberry when it's that bite by itself. You don't really want just whipped cream in a million of a donut. So I was like, okay, and I'm a glazed girl. So sometimes I'm gonna want to stop this eating and eat the glaze. But the glaze was good at times. But sometimes it got messed up with the whipped cream. Go back. Which one do y'all think is my favorite?
What's the other one?
Guessing which one. Wait, what? Which one was my favorite? They said they were guessing out of the 4 I had. Which one do you think was my favorite actually?
I think your favorite was that strawberry.
And guess what? My final result after eating all 3, I'm gonna put it on the screen so they can see it before y'all. The French toast. It was perfect. And you're a great student. You're gonna get a nice review from us. Thank you.
Wake up, filthy.
Yeah. We ain't even out in Turks, she finna take sand. Riding around with F and then we like to hold hands. Bo was 2 sipped out, he ain't need a bed. Then I did the pint of tech in a cold red. If I tell this bitch to pull her, she gon' moped it. My doggy don't smoke on shit unless it's unleaded. I don't back and forth over no net, so just gon' did it. See me when you see me, if it's smoke, doggy, unleash it. They been rockin', bitch, it's my fave, I'ma gon' beat it. Looking in the mirror, kiss my face, I'm too conceited. Send a girl home, call another dog, I'm too slime. She ain't wanna eat it on the first day, it's her round. I don't fuck with drugs, poppin' X for the first time. That shit kicked in like a 2.
Guys, I just came from the beach. Y'all know the beach is my favorite thing to do. Like, beach day is my favorite when I come to Cali. I don't think I talked that much this vlog, but like, I have one more day. Today is Thursday, and I leave on Friday tomorrow at 10:40, and I got here on Saturday. Yeah, this trip been crazy, but yeah, I'm excited. Y'all see me at the beach already. I need to hit up Target. I need a couple little things, and then I'm about to get something to eat and head inside. I wanted to do a sunset walk around 7. It's 4 o'clock now, but I don't know if that's gonna happen because, like, you know, with timing and everything. Who knows? Who freaking knows? I had more energy earlier, guys, but I swear, it still was a great day. I stayed out there for like an hour. It started to get a little like cold, so I didn't stay too long. I'm at a red light, so yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go to Target, and y'all see whatever I get, and then we're gonna go to this place called Margot's. Okay, Margot's. It's a plant-based place. I'm gonna try it out. We'll just see, you know. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay. I look crazy. We're leaving Target. I want to show y'all what I got. I got the like survival kit you need when you're like on vacation. Some floss, a travel toothbrush that like goes inside. I have a brush. I needed a brush. My best friend, she was here and she had the best brush ever. I always need some spring water. I hope this is spring water, but it's just alkaline water with electrolytes. But I always try to get water that's 9.5 pH and up, and that's what this water is. So that's pretty good too. And then last but not least, we got 2 more things. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5 essentials. No, 2, 4, 5. 5 essentials that you need for traveling. Some Aveeno daily lotion. Like, I got body lotion for like when I'm getting out the shower, but like when I'm going throughout my day, I don't have it on me. So I needed to get one that was like smaller. And that's really it. So go in the restaurant and then I'll tell you guys how it is, how I like it and stuff. So bye.
Love when it comes without a warning, 'cause waiting for it gets so boring. A lot can change in 20 seconds. A lot can happen in the dark. Love when it makes you lose your bearings. Some information's not for sharing. Use different names at hotel check-ins. It's hard to stop it once it starts. It starts. I'm not sentimental, but there's something about the way you look tonight. Makes me wanna take a picture, make a movie with you that we'd have to hide. You better lock your phone and look at me when you're alone. Won't take a lot to get you going. I'm sorry if it's torture though. I know it might be more of an obsession.
This one I better do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that, Dada cover my face, calling me la baja. Biggie man, we do the way I bada. Tell me, my nigga, what's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. Think I them, ride the boat. I no fit, die for nothing. My nigga, what's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all depend. They gather, ride the boat. I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when they do, I they try to do on my way. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want turn up. Tell me, my nigga, what's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend.
I'm not wearing any jewelry today because I'm going to the airport. I'm gonna keep it real light and chill. I don't know.
Ride the boat, I no fit, die.
Let's go, guys. Like, I'm really excited to start my day. Got a couple places to hit, so let's go. Yeah, I'm about to leave, and I just want to tell y'all, this lady just came up to me. She's a black lady. She was a black lady, and she was like traveling Grace to the airport, and like wherever you're traveling to, and I'm just like, thank you so much. Like, I know I'm gonna live out here. I have a lot of unfinished business in DC that I want to get through that before I move here and make my mark here. But I'm really excited for life. I'm really excited for like the future and what it holds. And yeah, let's go. I went to El Cocino. I don't know how to really pronounce it, but I also made a TikTok. But I'll also insert the video, the Lizzo video, where she's like,
it's time to unbox another meal, bitch. Honestly, ever since I ate from El Cocinar, I cannot stop eating El Cocinar. So let's see what we got.
Reviewing this place, and like, I basically ordered what she had, but I didn't get the burrito. I'm personally just not a burrito person, but I'm excited to try it.